Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select a theme in the Magica application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the button at the bottom of the page on the right. Then if you scroll down a bit, you will see the button that is called graphic interface, and just click on that. And here you can see you can set your theme for night or for day. So choose whichever is more your type. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.